What is the nervous system? Much like the internet, the nervous system is a communications network. It consists of things like the spinal cord and the nerves that run throughout the body. Your nervous system directs how the body responds to what is happening both inside and outside. It makes you aware of what's happening around you. Your nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves that connect these organs to each part of the body. Individual cells that carry information through your nervous system are called neurons. These neurons carry a message called a nerve impulse. These impulses may be either electrical or chemical signals. Your ears, eyes, nose, mouth, and skin are specialized sense organs that enable you to get information from the outside world. Each of these organs have sensory neurons that send impulses to your brain. Your brain receives them, allowing you to understand more about your environment. The brain is the control center of the central nervous system. It has almost 100 billion neurons. Each neuron may receive up to 10,000 messages from other neurons and may send it to about 1,000 more. 3 layers of connective tissue under the skin cover the brain. The skull and the connective tissue help protect the brain from injury. A reflex is an automatic response that occurs rapidly without conscious control. For example, when your finger interacts with a sharp item, sensory neurons become aware of a pain stimulus. They send impulses to the spinal cord. Interneurons there pass those impulses directly to motor neurons. The motor neurons cause your arm muscles to contract, pulling your finger away from the sharp object. These senses of taste and smell work together. Both depend on chemicals in the air or in food. The chemical prompt responses in receptors in the nose and mouth. Nerve impulses then travel to the brain and are interpreted as smells or tastes. Sounds are caused by the vibrations of air particles. The air particle vibrations move outward from the source of the sound. Sound waves enter your outer ear through the ear canal. When the sound waves reach your eardrum, they cause it to vibrate. The vibrations pass the 3 tiny bones in your middle ear, which transmit the vibrations to your inner ear. Unlike your other senses, the sense of touch is not found in one place. It is in all areas of your skin. Your skin has different kinds of touch receptors that respond to different stimuli. All of the touch receptors are located in the dermis, or inner layer of skin. These receptors also let you feel textures, like rough sandpaper or smooth glass. Your eyes respond to the stimulus of light. They convert that stimulus into impulses that your brain interprets, enabling you to see. The light rays enter the eye through the pupil. Then they pass through the lens. Muscles attached to the lens adjust its shape and focus light rays on the retina. The peripheral nervous system is the second division of the nervous system. It is a network of nerves that branches out from the central nervous system and connects it to the rest of the body. The peripheral nervous system is involved in both involuntary and voluntary acts. It includes 43 pairs of nerves. The peripheral nervous system has 2 groups of nerves. There are the nerves of the somatic and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic system controls voluntary actions, such as using a fork, and the autonomic controls involuntary actions, like digesting food. A stimulus can be internal or external. Sense organs, such as the ear and sensory receptors, are sensitive to external stimuli, such as sound and touch. The stimulus is any change or signal in the environment that an organism can recognize and react to.